Hello, my name is Reese Wallace. Post-graduation from the College of the Florida Keys, I will be seeking employment as a kennel attendant. I will be 16 years old when I graduate with my AA. In general education in CFK, I would like to become a veterinarian one day, so I will be continuing with my education. Following my AA graduation, I want to be employed as a kennel attendant because it will give me an edge to be accepted into veterinary medicine education program. I plan to work at the vet hospital near my home in Marathon where my family takes our animals. I have known our veterinarian Dr. Dunn since I was 5, and he promised I could work for him as soon as I was old enough. The job duties as a kennel attendant are animal care, boarding care, cleaning the animal clinic and kennels, and assisting the veterinarian. The prerequisites and training and experience for a kennel attendant include having a love for animals, having a good work ethic, and training and experience in animal care. My love for animals led me to spend the past 3 summers in a junior veterinary course at Cub Creek Science Camp. Over those 3 summers, I developed a strong work ethic and gained the skills and knowledge to take care of animals in a kennel or vet hospital. English composition gave me the basic research skill set for evidence-based veterinary medicine. Ask, acquire, appraise, apply, and assess. In my final paper, I discussed that veterinary students lack basic research skills, and the solution is to learn them at an undergraduate level. This course actually manifests my solution. I also learned to communicate about my work and communicate with fellow students about their work. I learned to take constructive criticism, but my instructor was basically a supervisor of my work. I learned how to manage my emotions when it came to stress and timelines for work. I would be an excellent choice for this job because I love caring for animals. I am qualified for the job because I have years of training in the junior veterinary course and a few years of experience in pet sitting. I will also be college educated. Thank you for taking the time to look at my presentation today. Goodbye.